Today I have Olay Regenerist Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 Hydrating Moisturizer. And I'm going to be unboxing this and using this on my skin so you can get a first-hand look of what this product can do. So let's go ahead and get started with this. It comes in a nice box right here, Vitamin C plus Peptide 24. It's a hydrating moisturizer, like I said. Vitamin C, very good to prevent oxidation on the skin. Now inside of here is the container. Of course, it says no parabens, no, I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, phthalates, I guess, no synthetic dyes, dermatologist tested, and this carton is recyclable. Now the directions with this is smooth evenly over cleansed face and neck, morning and night. Use with SPF in the daytime. All right, so there are some cautions that you should have on right here. It says it has alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen and limit your sun exposure while using this product and for weeks afterwards. So there are definitely some warnings about using this product, and you should take note before you expose yourself to the sun and potentially harm yourself in the long run or potentially in the short run. So read the instructions before you use this product. We'll talk about what's inside of this product. The ingredients: water. They use purified water, not just any water, but that good water. Glycerin, which is a skin moisturizer. Isohexadecane, which is a skin conditioner. Niacinamide, which is a vitamin B3, for all of you who want to know. Dimethicone, it is also a skin conditioner. Lactic acid, which is alpha hydroxy acid, or also called AHA. And then there is isopropyl isostearate, which is a skin conditioner. There is sodium polyallyl methyl taurate, which maintains product texture. And there's also sterile alcohol, which maintains product texture as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Of course, there's other ingredients in here. Make sure you read this before getting into it. And we're going to take a look at what's inside. All right, so here it is. Here is the Olay Regenerist Vitamin C Peptide 24 Hydrating Moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It comes in a fancy container with a pull string right here. Open this up, go down Pandora's box. There's some on the cap. I always like to use a little bit that's on the cap. And so looking at it, it has a pleasant smell to it. It says smooth evenly over cleansed face and neck, morning and nighttime. Use with SPF in the daytime. So I'm going to put a little bit on my skin right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and rub it in and let you see how well it goes in. So it is intense moisture. I can feel that right away. And it seems to be absorbing inside of the skin slowly but surely. But indeed, it is giving a lot of moisture. Not as much as a night cream, but indeed giving a lot of moisture to my skin, and feels good. So my hands look very nice right now that I have some of the vitamin C Regenerist Peptide 24 Hydrating Moisturizer. Feeling good. So it goes in well. Smells pleasant. It isn't fragrance free, but the fragrance that it does have smells good. I like that. So it comes in this fancy bottle. I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of what was on the cap. No cap. Just rub it in, get it nice and moisturized, my hands. And put the cap back on. Comes with a nice cap on here, fancy. Top of the line. And that is Olay Regenerist Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 Hydrating Moisturizer. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.